Credit cards can be an incredibly useful financial tool when used responsibly. They can help you build your credit score, earn rewards points or cashback, and provide you with a convenient way to make purchases. However, credit cards can also be dangerous if used improperly. To help you use your credit card wisely, here are 20 tips to keep in mind. Choose the right card. There are many credit cards on the market, each with their own benefits and drawbacks. Look for a card that offers rewards or benefits that align with your spending habits. Read the terms and conditions. Before applying for a credit card, make sure you read the terms and conditions thoroughly. This will help you understand the fees, interest rates, and other important details. Create a budget. Set a budget for your credit card spending and stick to it. This will help you avoid overspending and accumulating debt. Pay your bill on time. Late payments can result in fees and damage your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Pay in full. To avoid paying interest on your purchases, try to pay off your balance in full each month. Keep your balance low. Try to keep your balance below 30% of your credit limit to maintain a good credit score. Avoid cash advances. Cash advances often come with high fees and interest rates, so it's best to avoid them if possible. Monitor your account. Check your account regularly to ensure there are no unauthorized charges or errors. Use fraud protection. Many credit cards offer fraud protection, which can help protect you against unauthorized charges. Don't share your information. Keep your credit card information private and only share it with trusted merchants. Avoid store credit cards. Store credit cards often come with high interest rates and limited benefits. Don't apply for too many cards. Applying for too many credit cards at once can harm your credit score. Use your rewards. Make sure to use your rewards points or cashback before they expire. Take advantage of perks. Many credit cards offer perks such as travel insurance, extended warranties, and price protection. Take advantage of these benefits when possible. Know your credit score. Understanding your credit score can help you choose the right credit card and improve your financial situation. Don't use credit cards to pay off debt. Using credit cards to pay off other debts can lead to a cycle of debt and high interest payments. Don't max out your credit card. Maxing out your credit card can harm your credit score and make it harder to pay off your balance. Keep your card active. Using your credit card regularly can help improve your credit score. Be aware of credit card fees. Credit cards often come with fees such as annual fees, late fees, and balance transfer fees. Be aware of these fees and try to avoid them when possible. Use credit cards responsibly. Remember that credit cards are a financial tool and should be used responsibly. Don't use them to buy things you can't afford or to live beyond your means. In conclusion, using a credit card wisely can help you build your credit score and take advantage of rewards and perks. By following these 20 tips, you can ensure that you use your credit card responsibly and avoid the dangers of credit card debt. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.